This is how you achieve those 80s and 90s boosted overdrive tones using the Joyo King of Kings pedal. Welcome back to Isaac's World. We're going to demo the Joyo King of Kings pedal for this video. But before we dive in, huge thanks to Joyo, and thank you for also sending me this Joyo King of Kings. So today we're going to talk about on how to get that classic 80s and 90s boosted overdrive tones. Specifically, you'll hear them in hair, glam, metal, and rock. Or even in the alternative scene in the 90s. Basically, this pedal is a dual drive. Sa dual drive, you have options to stack and combine your overdrive tones to create a unique sound. Meanwhile, the King of Kings is a medium gain pedal, and we're gonna try and achieve those 80s and 90s classic drives. Let's go. So ayun, this is my chain. Ito yung Joyo King of Kings. So bali ang ginawa ko, wireless gitara papunta dito sa input, then output papunta sa input ng Blackstar DB100R, then naka-mic siya papunta dun sa Blackstar Polar 2 na interface. So this is the channel A and this is the channel B. So sinet ko siya sa 0 lahat para makita nyo kung ano yung tinetweet ko. So ditong mga toggle switch na nakikita nyo, para yan sa pag-vary nyo ng clipping and feedback sounds, no? The down position to na interface para malinis talaga yung audio pagdating sa output. Alright, let's head on to the King of Kings, no? So naka-0 yan para makita ko yung so naka-0 yung mga knobs niya para makita mo yung mga pinag-tweak ko. So i-on natin siya. By the way, mag-start tayo sa side A, sa channel A dito. Yan, start at 12 o'clock. So ito yung tunog niya ng 12 lahat. No, channel B. Ayan, no, ganito yung tunog niya pag magkasabay. Sarap. So punta tayo sa hair metal tones muna, sa mga glam and hair metal. Now, when it comes to glam and hair metal, you will mostly find two tones, no? You have that beefy, juicy tone that you will hear on some heavy hair metal talaga. And the most common one, the nasal Marshall sound. So, dalawa yung kukunin natin to. Let's start with the nasal Marshall sound kasi yun ang pinakamadaling kunin dito eh. So, you have to do dito sa toggle switch. So, the first toggle switch in your channel A, kailangan nakataas yan para nuipis naman ng konti, no? And kailangan naka-engage din parehong channels, no? And of course, kailangan naka-engage pareho yung channels niya. Alright, so let's start tweaking. Pag sa Marshall, alam mo naman, crank na crank yung gain nila pero not too much. Buti na lang medium gain to, hindi siya tulad ng sobrang like high gain talaga, malamesa boogie. Nope. And of course, yung tone, kailangan magkaroon ng nasal sound. Itodo nyo, i-crank nyo. Basically, you're gonna crank this up if you want that Marshall tone, ano? Tapos yung volume, kailangan nakatodo to dahil ang gamitin nating boost para sa volume dito is yung channel B. So, naka-on yan. Pag nawala yung channel B, ito yung tunog niya. Malakas, yes, but wala pa rin dun yung boosted na, na element. So, ganyan lang. On nyo to. Same lang. 3 o'clock pareho yung gain. Then, volume knob. Kahit ano na gawin nyo dyan. Wala kang gagalawin sa toggle switch. Then, tone knob is around 3 o'clock as well. So basically, marami kayong 3 o'clock, yung volume lang yung maiba. Bale, itong volume nakatodo, dahil i-boost niya tong buong section na to. Then ito na yung magsisilbing main volume mo. Kasi pag ginalaw mo to, parang gain na yung silbi nito eh. Ayun o. Hindi siya tulad na lumalakas. Unlike ito, yan, level talaga yung lumalakas. Nag-clip tuloy. So this is how it sounds like, no? Aksan ko lang. Now that sounds like a Marshall to me, man. Next, we have the beefy tones. So, maririnig nyo yun on several records. So, gagawin nyo lang, bawasan nyo yung tone ng either one of these. Then, dagdagan nyo na ng konting clarity, dito sa varying of clips. Yun nga lang, hihina siya ngayon. So, mag-a-adjust ulit kayo ng volume dito. Tone around like this. Okay, not too much. Kailangan may clarity pa rin. So, yun, may narinig na kayong beefy sound. So that's a good sign. Tapos, konti pa. There we go. That's the tone that I'm looking for, man. Pwede nyo laruin itong mga toggle switches on your preferred settings. So magkakaroon siya ng difference on clarity, yung low end tsaka yung level, volumes. Of course, pag lahat yan, dinown nyo, lalakas talaga siya. Kasi naka-full yan pag ganyan. So, So, punta tayo sa 90s alternative sounds, But, pupunta muna tayo sa amplifier dahil pagdating sa 90s sounds, mostly boosted amplifiers yan nanggagaling. Like, for example, Nirvana, distorted na ngayon amplifier, gumagamit pa si Kurt Cobain ng distortion sa kanyang pedal board, Like the DS2, pero ngayon King of Kings yung gagamitin natin. So, I want you to turn on your overdrive, Kaya siya mag-squeal. And set your gain around 9 o'clock to 10. Tapos yung parehong treble and mids naka 12 o'clock lang. So going back to the pedals, all you have to do is set your booster or your King of Kings to minimal gain only. Kasi yung gain, most of your gain nanggagaling na sa amplifier. So on natin, volume. Marami kang ita 12 o'clock dito Pero dito sa channel B, hindi na siya naka 12 o'clock yung volume and tone. Hindi na siya naka 12 o'clock para magkaroon siya ng grungy effect. Then volume, it's a level. Ikaw na bahala dyan. Then of course, yung toggle switch naka full talaga siya. So there we go. And kung di pa sapat, i-crank nyo tong isang to ng konting-konti lang. So let's hear this in the mix now. So that's the King of Kings Joyo pedal for you guys. Maraming salamat Joyo for sending me this. So if you want this, you can check their website Joyo, and you can also check out more pedals, no, and other equipment as well. So yun guys, maraming salamat Joyo. This is Isaac signing off.